So here's a trim job. Customer wants to trim this one shrub here, this hedge here. There's about 12 of them, and it's about 11 feet tall that she wants to trim it down to. We would use a lopper and saw to trim from the top. We'll also need a large ladder to access the branches, and we'd only be trimming the thinner stems, not the thick ones. Okay, and there's another one over here that's pretty long as well. So we would trim those down, and we would take the top, and then we would trim the sides here, and we would also clean it. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4 total. And that's what we do.